Hey everyone, welcome back to Touch Trove. Today, we're diving into the world of wearable tech with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. As an avid biker and hiker, I was excited to put this watch to the test. But is it too much watch for its own good? In this video, we'll explore the Galaxy Watch Ultra's features, from its impressive battery life to its advanced health tracking capabilities. We'll also compare it to its cheaper brother, the Galaxy Watch 7, and see if it's worth the extra cost. So, if you're in the market for a new smartwatch that can keep up with your active lifestyle, keep watching. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is a beast of a watch, with a 47mm display that's perfect for tracking your fitness goals. But is it too big? I'll share my thoughts on the design and whether it's comfortable to wear. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Watch Ultra is its battery life. With up to 46 hours of runtime, you can track your workouts and daily activities without worrying about running out of juice. But how does it compare to other smartwatches on the market? The Galaxy Watch Ultra takes health tracking to the next level with advanced features like sleep apnea detection and blood oxygen monitoring. We're pitting two of the toughest smartwatches against each other, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Which one will come out on top? Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra is the Android answer to Apple's rugged and expensive sports watch. But how does it stack up? Let's dive in and find out. The Galaxy Watch Ultra comes in at $650, while the Apple Watch Ultra 2 will set you back a whopping $800. But is the extra cost worth it? Samsung's watch boasts blood oxygen sensing features like sleep apnea tracking, which is missing from the Apple Watch due to a patent dispute. But are these features enough to sway athletes to the Galaxy Watch Ultra? Both watches cater to athletes with specific features, but I'm not about to start training for a triathlon anytime soon. As an active guy who enjoys historical swordsmanship, walking, biking, and hiking, I'll share my thoughts on what it's like to wear the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The device is a beast on my arm, and the marine silicone watch band is a bit much for casual wear. I'd recommend exploring other band options like the Trail or Peak Form bands. We're diving into the world of wearable tech with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. This rugged and durable smartwatch is packed with features that'll make health enthusiasts go wild. But is it too much of a good thing? With dedicated sleep apnea detection and advanced glycation end products (AGE) tracking, the Watch Ultra is like having a personal health assistant on your wrist. But can it be too overwhelming? I love the ultra-exclusive watch face designs and the ability to customize them to my heart's content. However, I wish Samsung had included an analog control mechanism to make navigation easier. The Watch Ultra's battery life is impressive, lasting well past a full day and multiple workouts. And despite its large size, it's relatively comfortable to wear. I could even fall asleep with it on. Samsung's cushion design gives a nice touch, but I still wish they had included a rotating bezel like the Galaxy Watch Classic. The watch's thickness and size can make it feel bulky, but the dynamic lug band connectors keep it secure.